Alright guys, so let me turn this off. It's currently 1:48. I was supposed to wake up at 1:30, but my alarm wanted me to be great and sleep some more, so I guess it didn't go off. But today I have to go to work. So I have to be there at 3 o'clock. I live next door to my job, so excuse me, bless me. I don't technically have to leave my house till like 2:50. But today it is raining. My boyfriend had came over and I had woke up early and I took a nap, so now I'm just not getting up for real. And I think my heat is on because I'm hot as heck. I didn't mean to turn the heat on. It's raining, so hopefully we get a lot done today, but I'm about to get ready for work. I work at Hooters for the time being until I finish school or until I feel like not working there anymore. I feel like I'm gonna always like work the weekends or like something to make some extra cash. So yeah, I washed my uniform earlier and stuff, so right now I'm about to take a shower and get started on my makeup and my hair because my hair was ironed out and now it's sweated out, so I'm gonna just run the flat iron through it a couple times. And yeah, let's get up because 2:50 will be here before you know it, and I'm always late. So yeah, let's go. Ooh, my hair is a mess, but as you can see, it is raining today. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, this is the balcony in my room. It is raining. I love rain. He says he loves Okay guys, so right now I look crazy, I know, but I'm heating up my flat iron and I'm about to get lotioned up and stuff. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I use baby oil. I use this when I work because it lasts longer. It's the Secret Outlast Wet and Odor Complete Clean 48-Hour Invisible Solid. I usually use the regular baby powder everyday one, but when I'm working, moving, sweating, I use that one. I use this, I don't know if it's TMI, but I use this after waxes. It's the Treat and Grwm hair wipes, and you can get this from European Wax Center. It does not want to work on focusing today. So this is what it looks like, and then I just use some cocoa butter Vaseline lotion. But I do start with this usually while my skin is still wet, but I was doing stuff looking for it, and this is just like a moisturizer so that my skin don't like dry out after showers and stuff. And I just let that absorb. I don't dry off or anything. Just let that absorb while I get ready to do my makeup, which, let me go get my robe on so I can actually get stuff done.
You said purpose to me will always be fulfilled when you take everything you've been through, every trauma, every circumstance, everything that came and felt like it was meant to end you, drag you through the mud and use it to help someone else. Like, I felt that. I just got the chills.
your friends.
Yeah.
If you literally start a business, you start a new one, everyone fucking falls off the face of the earth.
Right.
Like, but the reality is like, it's what's the most amazing part is when you realize you get in a season of your life where that's almost like null and void. It doesn't exist. You don't deal with anybody doing that, and it's either one of them, either there's family and cousins and sisters,
Right.
or your husband.
Just going to do it, yeah.
They're just people you gotta deal with. But when 95% of the conversations you have are where you're at or better.
Yay! Well, I thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me on the Wealth Babe podcast, Jessica. You know, again, I just can't say enough about, like, just, again, watching you and your journey and just, like, I feel what you're saying. And, like, I'm always like, oh my gosh, going through stories, okay, I'm saving this one because I'm going to post it later. I don't want to post it right now because then Jessica's going to be like, oh, she just posted this. And, you know, I just posted this, she just posted this, what's going on? You're going to do this. Again, thank you for coming. Ladies, make sure you go check her out. And also,
Okay, so right now I'm just looking for my keys so I can go. It's literally 2:50. I'm not gonna have time to go to the bank, so I think I have enough change for tonight. But where are my keys? I don't want to take a purse because I have cute purses. And not saying anything about the girls. The girls are really cool, but we're gonna be busy, so I'm not gonna have time to watch it. Is all I'm gonna say. So I need to hurry up. My book is in the car. The air is on. Where are my keys? I'm always losing keys. That's the reason I'm always late. My keys be running from me. Keys. Where are you?